Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Jason Franklin, and today I'm going to show you how to add fonts and uppercase letters to your Discord channels, as well as do things like add emojis or like something like this pipe symbol or other symbols you might want to add here. By default, Discord doesn't let you add any of these uppercase letters or emojis or things like that. When you're creating a channel, you get basic plain lowercase letters, and to make your server look better, a lot of people want to add uppercase letters and things like this. So to get started, we have in Discord, we have what we call categories, which is kind of the parent. And then underneath each parent, you would have the children of a channel. So for example, we've got welcome, community, cybersecurity, and etc. These are all categories. And then we have the channels below them like verify, welcome, tech talk, etc. So to get started, creating a channel or a category, you can go up here to this little drop down. And if you want to create a new category, you just go right here and create a category, click that button. Or if you want to create a new channel, you can go right here and click that little plus sign or click on the channel, and that'll create a new channel. For this scenario on this server, we've already got some categories and channels created. So the other way to create a channel under a category that you already have created is just to go down to the category that you want to create a channel under, and then click the little plus sign. So for this channel, we're going to create a channel called Discord Security under the cybersecurity category. And what I'm going to do here is just go click this little plus button. That's going to allow me to create a new channel. So we're going to call it Discord Security. And you can call your channel anything you want. This is just for the purpose of this video. And we're going to create a channel. Once you do that, you'll see here that everything is lowercase. Like I said, Discord by default will not let me put any uppercase letters in the channel that you try to create. But we want to make the channel look like the one above it and the others where there's uppercase letters, and it kind of gives it a little bit more of a pop. And then also we're going to want to put like an emoji and maybe a pipe in between. I like to put the pipes in between because it kind of separates the wording and the channel from the emoji. Some people don't. That's completely a preference. A lot of people don't put the pipe in between. They just do an emoji and a space and then the channel. But today I'm going to show you how to do the pipe as well. So we've got Discord Security here. We've got our channel. What we're going to want to do is navigate out to a website called convertcase.net. And then when you get there, go to more tools, and you're going to go to something called a Unicode text converter. And here you're going to go in this left column where it says type or paste your content, and we're going to type Discord Security. Make sure that you do your uppercase letters like you want them to show up in Discord. And then you're going to go to the font on the right. And this is where you can choose your fonts. I told you I would show you how to put different fonts in. And just keep in mind, there's numerous Unicode converters out there on the web. This is just one that I found that I use for many of my Discord servers. So I like to use this font called sans serif. I use this one because I like the way it looks, but you can use any of these and they all look pretty cool. It's totally up to you. That's a preference thing. But once you find the font that you like, you just go to the little copy button and you copy it. And then we'll go back over to the Discord server, go to this little gear, and you right click and you click on edit channel. And then we'll just delete that text out of there and we'll copy and paste this Discord security in here. Now you see we've got uppercase letters, and we're going to save that change. Now we'll go back to this channel and you'll see it says Discord security. Now it looks a little bit more like we want it to look. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get a pipe. Now you can go out to Google just like we did the search, and you can look for a pipe. Unfortunately, Discord won't let you use the pipe on your keyboard. Like if you were to click shift and then the button above the enter button, there's a pipe symbol there. It won't let you use it on Discord. So what you got to do is we're going to go here, and since we already have a pipe here, we're going to copy it. And this is exactly what you would do. You would go out to Google and Reddit or somewhere and find a pipe, and you would just copy it in here like this. And now we have a pipe separating our channel name from where our emoji is going to go on the left here in a moment. So we're going to save that. You're going to go up here to escape, and then you'll see now you have a pipe and you have Discord security. The last thing we're going to want to do is we're going to go back to the web and go out to Google and type in copy and paste emoji. You're going to get a lot of results here when you type this in, and all of these will work. They've all got emojis that you can copy and paste. I typically always use the first one, getomoji.com. This one has most of the emojis that I need. So if you go out to here, I try to find an emoji that matches the name of the Discord channel. And so For this channel, we called it Discord security. So I want to look for a lock or something like that. So got a couple different locks to choose from here. I want a lock with a key. So I'm going to go here and copy it. You can choose any emoji you want. This is just for the security channel that I'm creating. So once we've copied that lock, we're going to go back and do the same steps as we did when we added the pipe and the font. And we're going to go on the left of the pipe and we're going to paste it. So now you've got an emoji, a pipe, and you've got uppercase, camel case, Discord security. So we're going to go ahead and make that change. Press escape. Now you've got a channel here, Discord security. It looks a little bit better than it did with all lowercase. You've got a pipe in the middle, and then you've got your lock. If you liked what I showed you here, please subscribe to the channel. I'm going to continue to put out more videos for Discord. I do a lot of Discord server updates, and I created a lot of Discord servers on my own. So thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, and let me know if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks so much.